Hi everyone, the name is Christopher Henry, design engineer from China Harbour Engineering Company. And today we're on a tour here with the Hard Trust NSTA, and we're touring the SCHIP Part B2 project. We're just giving the instructors and the hard team a view of all of the major bridge structures that we're currently constructing, and also just a general view of the new highway that's happening in St. Thomas. We hope it's a very informative trip, and it will be the start of a more fruitful collaboration between ourselves and the Hard Trust.